What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best wireless earbuds in 2024. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our review lineup, the first product to discuss is Google's Pixel Buds Pro. Crowned as the top Android wireless earbud for 2024, the introduction of active noise cancellation, ANC, to the Pixel Buds series is a significant upgrade, and Google has broadened its features through updates, introducing custom EC and head tracking surround sound. While Pixel owners enjoy some exclusive perks, all Android users will appreciate the Pixel Buds Pro for being one of the most cost-effective earbuds available. In terms of design, Google's Pixel Buds adhere to a streamlined flat aesthetic. They are devoid of sharp corners or rough seams, positioning these earbuds at the pinnacle of design. Resembling cylindrical shapes, the earbuds come with 3 sizes of silicone ear tips, small, medium, and large, eliminating the need for wingtip stabilizers seen in the A series. Both the Pro and A series boast a standard IPX4 rating for water splash resistance. However, the Pro variant exclusively features an IPX2 waterproof case. The charging case for the Pixel Buds, shaped like an egg, can only be laid flat. The lid offers a gratifying click when opened or closed. A single LED light below the seam subtly decorates the case beneath its black dividing line. When placed on a key mat, the Pixel Buds Pro case supports wireless charging at 2.5 volts. For those without this mat, the provided USB-C charging cable serves as an alternative. The Pixel Buds Pro mark Google's inaugural venture into headphones with ANC. The transparency mode, missing from the A series, is incorporated into the Pro earbuds. Users can toggle between ANC, transparency, and mute via the headset's touch controls. The dedicated Pixel Buds app for Android simplifies the reconfiguration of the tap and hold function. Transparency mode allows real-time external sound input, enhancing situational awareness, such as when crossing a road. Beam-forming microphones, voice accelerometers, and wind-blocking mesh covers ensure clear call quality, even in noisy environments. The Google Pixel Buds Pro deliver impressive sound quality, slightly amplifying bass and treble responses. They certainly get a thumbs up. The Apple AirPods Pro 2, a standout in our 2024 wireless earbud review lineup, rightfully claims the title of Apple's premier earbuds. These second-generation AirPods Pro deliver impressive sound quality, advanced technical features, and enhanced active noise cancellation, reportedly twice as effective as its predecessor. In terms of aesthetics, the AirPods Pro 2 closely resemble their predecessor, with minor alterations in microphone and ear vent placements. Weighing a mere 5.3 grams, these earbuds ensure hours of comfortable wear. The heart of the AirPods Pro 2 is the newly integrated H2 chip, responsible for a host of functions, from noise cancellation to providing 3D sound inclusive of head tracking. Like the Apple AirPods 3 and AirPods Max, the new AirPods Pro feature a personalized 3D sound function. Users with a true depth camera-equipped iPhone can photograph their ears to create a custom hearing profile. This profile, when synced with compatible Apple devices, becomes universally accessible. Speculations about the Bluetooth version and codecs for Apple's new earbuds have been rife. The confirmed details reveal that the new AirPods Pro support Bluetooth version 5.3 and the AAC codec. According to Apple, the AirPods Pro 2 offers 6 hours of music playback with ANC on before requiring a recharge in the case. A quick 5-minute charge yields approximately an hour of listening time. The active noise cancellation in the AirPods Pro 2 is reportedly twice as effective. User reviews confirm this, noting that static noises like lawnmowers, engine sounds, or even the neighbor's sander were almost entirely muted. Keyboard clatter, though audible, was significantly quieter and less intrusive. Now let's delve into the sound quality. The new driver's adaptive equalizer that adjusts sound in real time and unique high dynamic range amplifiers promise bright highs, deep rich bass, and impressive clarity. The AirPods Pro 2 deliver dynamic sound, presenting a broad soundstage for a consumer headphone. Compared to the first generation, the bass notes are more defined and robust. The mid-range, crucial for speech comprehension, is clear and detailed. The treble is not overly demanding, reducing listener fatigue. Let's dive into the details of the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra earbuds, which we believe are the leading noise-canceling wireless earbuds in 2024. The Quiet Comfort Ultra earbuds from Bose incorporate subtle yet significant enhancements to its already outstanding noise-canceling predecessor. While maintaining a similar aesthetic to the QC earbuds 2, these newly launched buds showcase slight design modifications, including an upgraded metal treatment. The Ultra earbuds leverage the same Qualcomm Series 5 chip as their forerunner, but also integrate additional chips to support Bose's innovative proprietary surround audio feature termed immersive audio. This feature is engineered to augment and deepen your content. The introduction of the IMU chip, incorporating a gyroscope and accelerometer, enables head tracking technology. The Quiet Comfort Ultra earbuds, according to Bose, are equipped with the Snapdragon Sound Technology Suite, offering the latest Qualcomm aptX adaptive codec support for audio streaming, complete with lossless and low latency capabilities. Similar to other headphones featuring head-tracking surround sound, such as Apple's latest AirPods, the QC Ultra earbuds offer two spatial audio modes, a quiet mode without head tracking, and a motion mode that uses head tracking to ensure the sound moves with you, so it's always in front of you. This immersive audio functionality is also incorporated in Bose's new Quiet Comfort Ultra over-ear headphones. The Quiet Comfort Ultra earbuds offer first-rate noise cancellation. The custom-tuned technology analyzes each ear and adjusts the sound accordingly, offering an unparalleled listening experience. You can choose between three modes: silent mode for focused noise cancellation, awareness mode to listen to your surroundings, and immersion mode for full noise cancellation and immersive sound. These Bluetooth noise-canceling headphones provide up to 6 hours of listening time, or up to 4 hours with immersive audio, and a brief 20-minute charge offers an additional 2 hours of playtime. Good stuff. For those willing to invest a little more for an elevated audio experience, the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 3 stands out as the best premium wireless earbuds of 2024. Established in 1945, Sennheiser is a renowned audio brand that has consistently delivered top-tier products. The Momentum True Wireless 3 represents the pinnacle of their TWS earphones range, offering superior sound and active noise cancellation, ANC. With a swift design shift from its predecessors, the Momentum True Wireless 3 takes cues from the new CK series. The earlier aluminum front panel is replaced with a semi-curved black plastic case, featuring two microphone holes. The charging case, with its stylish and elegant design, remains one of the most appealing on the market. The earbuds themselves have undergone substantial redesign. Unlike the tubular TW2, the TW3 boasts a modern, attractive look. Each earbud houses three microphones, including extra ones for ANC, optical wear sensors, charging contacts, and LED indicators for connection status and charging notifications. Furthermore, they offer IPX4 level moisture protection, ensuring durability and longevity. The adjustable transparency mode is another noteworthy feature. It offers two settings with music and music on pause. The former allows you to hear ambient sounds without disrupting your music, while the latter pauses the music when you need to focus on your surroundings. Also included is a muffler setting with an upwind mode designed to minimize wind noise. Sennheiser introduces sound zones, a feature that activates different sound profiles based on your location. You can set up to 20 sound zones within a radius of 100 meters and 1 kilometer, and customize what happens when you enter or exit these zones. As for the sound quality, the Momentum TW3 surpasses all other wireless headphones we've tested. The sound output is rich, clear, balanced, and vibrant, with well-defined bass. The Momentum TW3 offers up to 7 hours of playback on a single charge, with an additional 21 hours provided by the charging case. With its hybrid adaptive ANC that adjusts noise levels based on surroundings, it's no wonder the Momentum True Wireless 3 is considered a premium choice worth the investment. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. We're thrilled to announce the winner of our best overall wireless earbuds for 2024, the Sony WF-1000 XM5. This model stands as a testament to Sony's commitment to innovation and quality, offering an upgraded audio experience that surpasses its competitors in numerous aspects. The Sony WF-1000 XM5 wireless earbuds are a comprehensive package that combines exceptional sound, superior noise cancellation, and a compact, lightweight design. The all-new Sony V2 audio processor is at the heart of these upgrades, powering Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, enhancing sound quality, and bolstering active noise cancellation. This is particularly exciting news for users of music players supporting LDAC or LHDC Bluetooth codec. Although the battery life remains consistent with the previous model, new app features have been introduced to elevate the user experience. The design overhaul results in a product that is approximately 25% smaller and 20% lighter, ensuring unparalleled comfort throughout the day. The dynamic speaker driver exhibits a blend of various dome and rim materials, resulting in a rich bass sound with minimal distortion and more natural vocals. Thanks to the Clear Voice technology, which utilizes an AI-based noise reduction algorithm coupled with a bone conduction sensor, call quality is significantly improved. The standout attribute of the Sony WF-1000 XM5 is the intricate detail it provides when listening to any performance. It offers a wide frequency range, and the mid-level detail in vocals is is incredibly realistic, providing an unparalleled level of presence and authenticity. The nuanced handling of instruments and vocals by the dynamic driver, which uses a combination of materials to manage different parts of the frequency range, contributes to this realism. The adaptive sound control feature is another highlight. It uses artificial intelligence to shape your listening experience based on your surroundings. This, coupled with an even better soundstage than its predecessor, the WF-1000XM4, makes the Sony WF-1000XM5 the undisputed champion among wireless earbuds in 2024. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 best wireless earbuds in 2024. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.